Ever since we released the video for the 2018 Roush Phase 1 Supercharger install on my 2018 Mustang, we knew the first question everybody was going to ask, what kind of horsepower is it making at the tire? Now trust me, we were really anxious to find out too, and as soon as our friends at Revolution Auto offered up their dyno for the day, we got down here as soon as possible. But we figured since we were heading down this way anyway, and while we're here, why not invite back an old friend and have a little bit of a dyno shootout. Now, I'm sure you guys remember this car, but if you don't, this is my 2015 Mustang GT. This also has a Roush Phase 1 Supercharger kit. It's been on the car for over 36,000 miles. This car still runs absolutely great. Now, the Phase 1 Supercharger on this car is rated for 670, while the 2018 is rated at 700. Now, what's that going to translate to rear-wheel horsepower? Well, let's get them on the rollers and find out. Yeah, so our 2015 GT just kind of set the bar pretty damn high actually. 619 at the tire, 482 torque. We saw 12.5 pounds of boost. It's more like 10 to 11. That's more of a spike up here, but still 619 is healthy horsepower for a 15, basically just with exhaust and the blower. All right, so here's the first pull with the 2018 with the Roush calibration on. Now you can see right here, made 592 horse and 514 torque. So the torque's good. The horse is a little less than I thought it'd be. But if you look, you can see a drop right here where it pulled some timing out. This tune at the very top was only 13 degrees of timing. The 15 has 22, so there's a huge, huge difference in power there. So what we're gonna do now is actually let it cool down for a little bit and then make another pull. Hell yeah, that's what I was looking for right there. 648 and 532 torque. Now you notice here, we didn't actually, the knock sensor did not pull any timing because the car was a little bit cooler, and then it pulled all the way up to red line. That's excellent power for a kit that's rated at 700 horsepower. Now for the fun of it, we'll just make one more pull and see if it's repeatable. Now here's a direct comparison between the 2015 with the Phase 1 and my 2018. Now this is same day, same dyno, same conditions. You can see the power difference between the two. I mean, you're going from 619 to 648. So you're talking basically 30 horsepower there. But certain parts of the curve here gets fat on top. You're talking almost a 60 horsepower difference between the two up top here. You're gonna see the same thing. The torque curve rises a little bit faster. You're talking 50 more pound-feet of torque, but it also carries it across the entire piece. And again, it really just like the Phase 1 on the 15, the Phase 1 on the 18 is just smooth power across the board and usable torque throughout the entire power band. Now, as far as the boost goes, it is showing almost 2 more pounds. If you do follow the curve though, you'll see that it is gonna be a little higher, but it does waver a little bit. So figure it's probably about 1.5 pounds, maybe even only 1 pound in certain locations. But without a doubt, the 2018 Roush Phase 1 is for real. 648 at the tire, with a 336 warranty is pretty impressive. I would say our dyno shootout was definitely a success. I honestly did not think my 2015 would make quite that much power, and the power the 2018 made was awesome as well. I mean, 648 to the rear tires is definitely no joke on basically a stock car with a blower and an axle back. We want to thank the guys out at Revolution Auto for letting us use their dyno today. And for more videos on my 2018 Mustang, make sure you subscribe, cjponyparts.com.